Hello, it's my pleasure to introduce to you our most successful mattress, the Heveya III. It is 3 layers of organic latex mattress encased in a bamboo and organic cotton cover. It is washable. That is one of the great features about it. The top splits in 2. Inside, you're going to have your cortex, your layer of latex core, and wrapped in washable cotton. You'll have another layer of latex for comfort. As you will notice, these holes, great breathability. They are different throughout the mattress. They're based on your body zones. Outside of that, you'll have the 3rd layer, which is another layer of latex. And this is great for side sleepers, anybody with hip or shoulder sensitivity, not to be misconstrued with a pillow top. There are no glues or chemicals in here. It'll never break down and sag like a traditional pillow top will. Anybody that is just looking for a great night's sleep, I highly recommend this. You will love it as well. Thank you.